Hey, I can do this.
Zaid, do you have a problem?
Oh, boss. Currently I feel so stressed because too many work I need to manage, and I think I can do this.
Why Zaid? You don't have to be stressed for this job. You have to be enjoy your work to make sure you give the good performance for your job.
But I don't have a motivation to encourage me to do this work.
Do you know what is psychology capital, Zaid?
No, sir.
So, I will tell you what is psychology capital is.
Okay.
Okay guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So thank you for coming for this meeting. So our agenda for this meeting is we have a plan. So our company have to plan this company to make it in international level. So I want to ask opinion and opinion from you. So do we have any enough capital or good performance to do so? What is your opinion, Mr. Zaid?
So I am as Human Resources Manager. For our company, we have a good administration system, enough and competent labor. So my opinion, I think we can develop our company to be globalized in international level.
Thank you, Mr. Zaid. How about you, Mr. Hanif?
Okay, for the marketing department, I think we can expand our business through Asia and Europe because I have some people there to help us.
Good. How about you, Mr. Sufian?
For financial department, our company capital was in a good and stable condition. If we want to go with the project, I think we can achieve that.
Good information from you, Mr. Sufian. So how about you, Miss Nurin?
Operation department, don't worry manager, our advanced machine are enough to proceed this project and can support our company very well.
Thank you. Okay, so now I have received a good opinion and lot of information from you. So I think our company can achieve through the plan into the international level. So thank you for good cooperation. We dismiss our meeting. So thank you.
Yes, boss.
This book is for you.
What is this for?
This will improve your knowledge for your job scope.
Oh, really? Thank you, boss. Sufian,
Yeah.
I just read an article about the global mindset.
Global mindset, what's that?
Global mindset is the thinking about the international.
Oh, so how can a person develop a global mindset?
To develop global mindset, a person need to know the cultural value and the bias.
Wow.
Next, they have to know their personality, trait and values.
Okay. That's all.
I think there is another one, that is you have to develop your strategies to improve your individual flex.
Okay. Thank you for your information. I think I can know about the global mindset.
Now, yes, together we will go to selamatkan dunia.
can we discuss something? Oh, okay. Thank you. So, I want to ask you a question about my company. So, my company, we have plan to develop our company to make in international level with the global mindset.
So we implement something in our company for the global mindset. For the first thing, you make sure to make globalization mantra.
Oh,
And the second, you have to infuse more international expertise.
expertise.
Then you have to make sure to create a steering group.
Oh,
And last but not least, recognize the organisation, the how long they take time to change.
oh, that's nice idea. So I have to use the wave to my company.
Yes.
So I will practice to my colleagues.
Yes. Go
We
for
have
it.
to prepare. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.